Yo, I thought I was tripping when I started seeing comments and people saying that these are better than the Air Jordan 1 Lost and Found Chicago's. I gotta see what you guys think about that. We're going ahead and unbox them. Early look technically, so let's go ahead and get into it, man. What's going on YouTube, man? Thanks for tuning into yet another video. We got some more content, of course, for you guys, and this sneaker right here is definitely one that's on a lot of people's radar. When they first got rumors that these was coming out, people was all over it, and I'm pretty sure all you guys already know what it is, depending on the box and the title. Like, you know what I'm saying? We got some more OG heat coming out. So, of course, it's going to be compared to whatever other sneaker that came out this year, man. So, if you're new to the channel, right now, what I need you to do, hit that subscribe button, hit the notification bell for your boys to not miss out on any content that we drop on the channel. And you know, we got a couple more early looks on the way just for the Vintage Squad. You guys just help me out by coming to the videos, spam them likes up, spam the comments, and we're gonna keep growing together and hit that 100K 2023. And if you guys not know, man, I'm selling a lot of sneakers on my personal collection over on my Instagram, the vintage_closet. It's gonna be linked down below in the description box, and make sure you go tap into my clothing brand shop. In the NOIR is definitely up and coming. We got some crazy products slated for you guys, and I cannot wait to unveil the first drop ever from my new clothing brand. So all that out the way, let's go ahead and get into this early look of some upcoming heat, man. Let's get into it. All right, now let's go ahead and get into these things. Now these right here, like I said, I've been trying to find these things early for a minute. I've been hitting everybody up, seeing how much they want for them, seeing, you know, what's going on with this shoe, because it seemed like the resale really ain't dropped much for it. I'm gonna check the resale in just a second after we unbox it, but it seemed like the resale is holding pretty good as far as the sneaker that people don't really like. And of course, it is a pair of Air Jordan 2s. You know, the anticipation really kind of washed away just because of the simple fact that everybody is ready to cop a pair tomorrow, man. Check out the box, you guys see it, and just depending on the box, you should know exactly what these bad boys is in here. But real quick, let's read the official colorway, size tag, all that good stuff. You guys know how you rock out on the videos. Air Jordan 2 Retro, white, varsity red, and black. And of course, I got these in the size 9. Gang, you already know how we rocking, man. Shouts out to the homie Jaded Sneaker Guy for plugging your boy in with this pair right here, man. Super clutch. Like I said, I've been looking for this shoe for a minute. He helped me out, and again, thanks to the homie Jaded Sneaker Guy, man. All right, so let's go ahead and get into these twos. Hold on. You got a little card right here. Check him out, man. Jay the Sneaker Guy plugging us in with this early look right here. Go ahead and peel his back, and bam, man. Check him out. Yes, sir. We finally have him, man. We finally have the Air Jordan 2 Chicago things, bruh. Oh, finally, the wait, the anticipation was long overdue. We finally have these beauties in hand, in the collection, that OG nostalgic heat. And I got a crazy story about these right here. I was actually bagging groceries at a store that I used to work at back when I was like 16 or something like that, or actually was like 17, and I seen this dude rocking them. I'm like, bro, what are those? Because I didn't think they was Jordans. I didn't know about the Jordan 2s or whatever. And I was like, bro, what are those on your feet? He said it's Air Jordan 2. And ever since I seen that pair on his feet that day, I said, you know what, I need to get them eventually in a collection. So I start looking into Jordan 2s. I start, you know, actually liking the Jordan 2 model. And then later down the line, I figured out that Jordan 2s really wasn't that sought after. And nonetheless, that Jordan brand didn't really drop a lot of Air Jordan 2s between like 2014 to now. So it's only been like a couple of releases that I can remember. But this one right here definitely capped it off with being the best one to drop in the last couple of years, if you ask me. Now, like I said in the intro, man, I'm telling y'all go check out Twitter, go on IG, even go look at a couple of the homies videos. They saying that these are better than the Air Jordan 1 Lost and Founds. I'm like, let me grab a pair real quick just to see, make sure I ain't tripping, make sure I ain't missing out on anything. All right, so here you have it, the Air Jordan 1 Lost and Found Chicago's. Of course, you got that reimagined look with the crack of leather on the back, and you have the age midsole, age laces, all that good stuff, age outsole. And then you have the Air Jordan 2 Chicago's. Now I can kind of see where people are coming from saying these are better than the Lost and Founds, because these aren't the original Chicago's. Like, you know, we got the reimagined look, and some people already have the Chicago's that were released back in the day. So they like, you know what? We ain't got these since 2009 or 2010, if I'm not mistaken, Air Jordan 2 Chicago's. So they probably was way more you know, excited for the Air Jordan 2 Chicago. We don't get a lot of those OG colorway 2s that comes out. And when they brought these out, now probably people like, you know, these is the best ones. I love them. It's the best sneaker release. And even the homie, the Retro Wizkid, said this is his sneaker of the year, which, you know, he broke down in the video talking about why this is his favorite shoe of the year. And it made a lot of sense coming from his perspective. And that's why I kind of feel a lot of y'all saying that these are better than the Lost and Found Chicago's. It's still kind of crazy to me that we're putting a 2 over 1, because you guys know, like, let's be real, nobody really rocks with the Air Jordan 2s like that. Me myself, I have a couple of pairs. Like, I don't hate Jordan 2s, but there aren't a lot of Air Jordan 2 colorways that I feel like I need. And then you get to the end of the year, you know what I'm saying, they give us some heat like this, bro. Like, look at these, bro. Look at that OG heat. You got that reptile skin, snake skin on the side. I think it's like Italian leather all on the upper. And I was saying in my top 10 releases of 2022 that these right here hold a lot of weight, because you got to think, he went from the Air Jordan 1 to the Air Jordan 2, where you see no Nike swooshes or anything like that. He wanted to brand his name Jordan on his future models. So I know a lot of people not even, you know, kind of considering any of that history behind Air Jordan 2. They just want whatever hype. They want whatever's popping. And of course, the Air Jordan Lost and Found, if you guys not remember, broke the internet. Like, literally broke the sneakers app, logging people out. You couldn't sign up for them. This release is gonna be remembered for a very, very long time. But checking them out, man, we got the Air Jordan 2 Chicago's. Like I said again, man, I'm so excited. Got this little wings logo, Air Jordan. Then you have Nike Air on the back, and just pretty much a predominantly, you know, white upper. You know, they gave us that Chicago look. Back in the day, we was putting that work in with Chicago Bulls. Of course, they threw him this colorway up. They mocked it up. Got the huge Air Jordan Wings logo on the tongue. And pretty much the rest is history when you're talking about these sneakers right here. So yeah, we have the Air Jordan 2 Chicago's unboxed just for you guys. Quick little early look. Before we get them tomorrow, I still have not reserved my pair on Foot Locker or Champs yet. I was able to enter on both sites this time. Usually nobody in my area got them, but a couple of stores did end up getting the Air Jordan 2 Chicago. So I'm gonna let you guys know tomorrow how that goes. So I'm gonna definitely hit you guys with full review and on feet of one of the most iconic Air Jordan 2s of all time. We have the Chicago's right here, as you can see. But let me know down below in the comment section if you're gonna be securing these. Let me know if you already got a pair. I don't think it was no shop drops or no exclusive accesses for this sneaker. A lot of people thought that it would be one. They pushed this release all the way to the side, and I feel like Jordan Brand ended the year with a banger with the Air Jordan 2 Chicago's right here. I appreciate everybody for tuning in to this unboxing. Make sure you guys subscribe to the channel if you have not subscribed already. Like I said, tomorrow I'm gonna hit you guys on feet, and I might hit you guys with like a quick little how to style video, because red and black, you know what I'm saying, sneakers is just so easy to rock, and I can throw a couple of different fits together and show you guys how I'm actually going to put these on feet, rock them, and style the Air Jordan 2 Chicago. You guys already know we're trying to hit that 100K. I need everybody's support, everybody's help by spamming the likes and dropping the comments down below. Let me know what you think about the Air Jordan 2 Chicago's, man. I appreciate all the support. Thank you guys for tapping into another video. And with all that being said, I'm gonna catch you guys in the next video, man. Peace.